मुल्तानी बिजनेस Passage number 15 start. The introduction of electronic communication media should not be allowed to obscure the increasing need for writing in the business organization. Full stop. For one thing, business could not operate without the convenient permanent record of its transactions that writing provides. Full stop. Training is easily encoded, transmitted, filled, and retrieved. Full stop. More important, however, writing encourage taught and reason, and permits expression with the utmost clarity, consensus, grace, and tact. Full stop. There are many places in the organization, including the higher inclusion, where such qualities are especially valued and sought. Full stop. Paragraph writing is indispensable for routine record keeping and reporting, expressing company policies, issuing work assignments, and instructing employees. Full stop. In some instance, efficiency is cited by the use of such printed forms as purchase orders, sales slips, inventory records, and receipts. Full stop. In other assistance, manuals are provided to ensure efficient and uniform handling of routine problems. Full stop. For example, instructions may be printed for every step in a complicated procedure or production process, or a carefully indexed series of form letters may be provided for use in certain representative situations. Full stop. In still other instances, the work of the organization is performed by individually deducted letters from memorandums and carefully researched reports. Full stop. Minutes of meetings, credit reports, and the reports of operations audits offer only a few examples of documents important to the continuing life of the organization and very demanding of the writer's skill. Full stop. Paragraph. An organization is not just a group of working people, but a group of people working together. Full stop. Much that glues and organizations together is accomplished on a person to person basis and in conference and meetings. Full stop. But a great deal of dispense is also placed on the written word. Full stop. Part of the philosophy of employee relations is that the more information workers are permitted to have, the more interested they will be in their jobs and the more loyal they will be to the company. Full stop. Happier workers tend to stay longer and produce more. Full stop. In addition to the ordinary training manuals and printed jobs instructions, many companies also issue handbooks outlining the workers' rights, privileges, and duties. Full stop. Other business publications include periodic news bulletin and company newspapers, magazines, and technical journals to which employees contribute. Full stop. Most large organizations operate suggestions system which make awards from the employees written suggestions for improving the work. Full stop. Some heads of organizations also make it a practice to address letters to employees at their homes congratulating